Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a premium Discord server or a premium Discord group. So I'll show you step by step how you can do this. So if this video does help you out in any way, please remember to leave a like on today's video because it really helps out the channel. And without further ado guys, let's jump right into it. So first of all, what you will need to do is you will need to come over to a website called launchpass.com. I will leave a link to this in the description if you want to click on it from down there. But this is the website that you will have to come over first of all to obviously start this process. So as you can see, you can connect your chat community and one of those options there being connect Discord. So first of all, click on connect Discord and then it should redirect you over to this, and you will need to log into your Discord and then you will need to choose a server from the drop down menu right here. So for me, I will just click on HTO Premium, what I've created for this specific video. So once I click on this, I can then click on continue. And then as you can see, you will need to make sure that the administrator box right here is checked. And then once you do that, you can then click on authorize. Once you have clicked on authorize, what that will do is it will bring you over to your LaunchPass account, and then it will ask you what type of invite page do you want to create. So obviously in this video, we are obviously doing a premium server, so we will need to click on paid access. So once we click on paid access, you've got then all these options right here. So first of all, you can add an image and then you can add a business name. So for example, if I just put YouTube community, so that would be obviously the name of my business. And then what you can do is you can obviously do offers. So the offer name and offer URL will be in this right here. And obviously the new channel right here will be the one that they go into when they first sign up into your Discord. And what else you can do is you can also assign roles, but this will obviously mean you need to create roles within your Discord server. And then once you get the drop down menu, you can click on the ones that you do create. And then the next option here is what you'll charge. So you can charge pretty much whatever you want. So you could charge, let's say you want $100 US, you could charge 1,000, you could charge pretty much whatever you like. And then it's, for example, if we put in $100 US, click on the drop down menu and you can choose from these currencies right here. And then what you can do is you can choose between these durations. So you've got annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, weekly, and a one-time payment. So once you do this, you will obviously have the option to give them a yearly option at $1,000. If you want to do that, you can click on the yes option. If not, and you want to keep it at a monthly fee, you can click on no. So once you have decided on this, you can then decide on if you want to give your customers a free trial period. So you've got a 1 free, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, and 2 months free trial period right there. And then what you can do is you can add a YouTube or Vimeo video just as a sort of trailer for the Discord server that you are selling to people and that you are selling to your customers. And then down here, what you can do is you can write sort of a little description. So the more you put in here, the more professional it will look. So let's just say if I just put in, sort of, whatever, let's just pretend this is sort of a description about my server, and I'll show you what it looks like on the next page. So once you have done that, you can then click on next to preview your sign up page. Once you do that, as you can see, this is what it will look like. All of the, the text that I've put in will be listed right here. So this is why I said that you do need to, make sure you make it look a little bit more professional. You can add pretty much whatever text you want in here and just tell people a little bit about your server and what they will be buying. From here, what you can do is you can see on the right hand side, this is where they will enter in their card details, stuff like that. And then what they can do is click on this pay button and then they will send the payment over to you. They will see that it's automatic recurring payments, obviously because we've obviously selected the monthly plan. And also what you can do is you can kind of customize this to your liking. So you can choose a background color. You can change it to pretty much whatever you want. So if we make it we'll make it sort of a gray color. You can choose the button color. So you can make the button, whatever you want. So we'll make it sort of a green. And you can also change the color of the text. So you can customize it and make it look however you want. You can make it look as professional as you like. And that's how simple it is. Once you have done this, you can then click on the publish button and then people will be able to start signing up to your Discord server. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and make a premium Discord server, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.